Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy A33 and I'm going to show you how to fix your phone heating while charging. So, how to fix that? At first you need to open the settings and here scroll down to the battery and device care. Open battery and scroll down to the more battery settings. Here, as you can see, I've got fast charging. You've got it enabled, and it's normal that your phone may be heating while charging because you're using fast charging, which is of course faster. It's 25 watts instead of 15, so it's actually a big difference. So yeah, but if you have it disabled, or if you know that your charger doesn't support 25 watts you need to do something else. Go back. Here, no, you need to go to this menu of the battery. Here, tap usage since last full charge, tap last 7 days. Here, as you can see, I've got many applications right here. Tap the first one. Here, we've got average daily usage over the last 7 days. Here, we've got this dark blue, which means on-screen time, and here we've got light blue, which means off-screen time, like the background. If you feel that it's suspicious, you need to do something with it. And do this with top 4 applications. If you of course see that these are not system ones, like for example these 3 that I've got here, and if you see that these applications are applications that you won't care about notifications from. So once we are here, you need to go to the settings, scroll down to the apps, and now find this application in the apps list. These applications actually. Here you need to tap battery and restrict this, like tap the third option, restricted. Restrict battery usage while this application is running in the background. The application may not work as expected and notifications may be delayed. This needs to be turned on. And once it is turned on, you can go even deeper. You need to use a genuine charger and a cable. Genuine charger and cable, these things are actually very important because only a charger with a chip inside for Samsungs can charge your phone properly, like with ease, with the full power and with ease. The same as with the cable, but cable needs to be just certified, doesn't have to be a Samsung one. So once you did that, everything should be nice once you use original charger and a cable. Apart from that, you need to avoid using your phone while charging, for example gaming. Like you can make calls, you can text somebody, but you can't take photos, you can't make videos, you can't do anything else. Like for example, as I said, gaming. Remove case to improve the heat dissipation, which is actually a very important and normal. Charge your phone in a cool and ventilated area. That's it. How it helps you. Goodbye.